how much of a thorn in the side of an under-Paris they've been as Radiopane gives chase. Oh, great commitment from Radiopane. They're chasing lost causes, and it was just a crazy.
He spoke earlier as to them, the hunger that he showed in the preseason. Look at this. Normally, a striker like that's the goalkeeper's ball, but look at the hunger that he shows, using also the right foot rather than this case left foot.
Sebele took a deflection in the 4-4. Radiopane scores! Oh, he's waited for this one for a long time. And he's up and running. But still no one there.
Exactly.
Covering.
Exactly, TT. But you can look at the distance speed for the striker to be able to punish there. But it was a deflection. Possibly maybe handball.
Possibly even, yeah.
But I mean, it is an advantage that is given to an attacking team. Radiopane made sure that that's just a half chance that was given to him. That's why the top striker with the top